Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in to my channel today. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review of Viktor and Rolf BON BON. So if you guys want to see this review, go ahead and stay tuned. I did purchase this from Ulta, and when I purchased it, they were having like a little sale. So I also got this cute little gift set too. And this one is super cute because it has like a little fabric ribbon. So first I'm going to show you guys what came in the little gift set. It did come with a perfume lotion as well as a sample size bonbon. And this is how it came wrapped up. Really cute and nice. And this is what the actual lotion looks like. And I kind of want to say that this is a 1 ounce. Maybe it's a little bit less, but it is still a nice amount of lotion. And it smells just amazing. So I feel like I might purchase a full-size bottle of this in the future just so I can match with the lotion and the perfume. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox the actual perfume. So guys, this is what the actual box looks like unwrapped. So I think that the box is absolutely beautiful. It has that raised seal that almost looks like a wax seal. This one does feel like plastic, like it's just a little button that they stick on. But anyway, I love it. I love stuff like this because I'm really into like period movies and like Pride and Prejudice and stuff like that, and every time they like have to send a letter or something, they always have that wax seal. So I just love stuff like that, and I'm actually gonna get a wax seal just for my letters, like my personal letters. I just love that touch on it because it adds a certain kind of elegance to it that I just really like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what the bottle looks like. So it never occurred to me that since the bottle was shaped the way it was, exactly how it would fit inside the box. But on the inside, it has like this cardboard like stuff that's almost like in a diamond shape that the bottle fits down into, so it's not shaking around or anything like that. So that's really nice that it's secure in the packaging. And this is what the actual bottle of perfume looks like. So this bottle is just absolutely beautiful, but it's really simple at the same time. It's a really pretty bow, and there is no like name or branding on the actual bottle, which I think is really cool. And they just have a little tab almost similar to the wax seal that was on the box, and it just has a V and an R, and on the actual cap it just has Bon Bon, Viktor and Rolf embossed in the top. So the bottle has a very simple design, which I really like. Let's go ahead and get into the actual notes of this fragrance. So this fragrance is classified as a gourmand fragrance with a twist. This addictive woman's perfume effervesces with the citrus scent of mandarin and orange slices alongside a paradise peach accord. Sweet caramel creates delicious depth atop a woody base and a surprising balance of sweetness and creamy notes of woody amber. So this really describes the fragrance well in my opinion. And at first I was a little bit confused because the notes, or at least the key notes of this fragrance, were different on different sites, and I was kind of confused about that. On Sephora's website, the key notes are classified as black currant, peach, and caramel. And on Ulta's website, it's classified as mandarin, orange blossom, and caramel. So they all have that caramel note in common, but the other stuff, it really wasn't making sense to me. But when I actually smell the scent, I'm kind of leaning more towards Sephora's description of the perfume, simply because of the black currant and the peach notes. This is a very creamy, sweet perfume, but you also get the fruity sweetness in it as well, and that's one of the reasons why I like this so much. And I didn't always like this perfume. I smelled this for the first time, I want to say about 2 years ago, and I was in an actual Ulta and I picked up this perfume, took the cap off and just smelled it from the cap, which I should not have done that at all. The reason I did that was because they didn't have any of those tester strips, but anyway, like I should have like sprayed it on myself at least, because from smelling it from the cap, it smelled terrible. It smelled, or terrible to me anyway, it smelled musky. It didn't smell sweet at all. I know like you really shouldn't do that. Like you should always try to actually spray the perfume to really get a sense of what it actually smells like, because it always smells different when you smell it straight from the cap. So I recently received a sample in the mail of this perfume and I smelled it and I was just like, oh my gosh, I need this perfume in my life. And it just smelled amazing to me, and I was just like, okay. I didn't think it smelled good at all the first time I smelled it, but now I'm smelling it and it smells great. And I have worn this actually 2 days straight, and on my body chemistry it lasts a long time. So let's go ahead and get into what it smells like and the notes that I pick up from it. Let me get a test piece of paper real quick so we can get more of what it smells like. So I have my little tester here. So initially with the first spray, I'm mainly getting the caramel and the black currant on the top. You do get like that woodsy base, but it's a soft woodsy base. It's not earthy or anything like that. And it's really just a nice creamy sweet scent. I know a lot of people, this is like their go-to winter scent or fall scent. Honestly, like we are in the middle of summer and I've worn this twice, and even in the heat, it smells really, really nice. If you want to be a little more conservative with it, you could wear this as like a night scent if you don't really want to wear it in the daytime or don't feel comfortable wearing it in the daytime. And I think it would be just perfect for like any event. Like it smells really, really nice. This isn't necessarily a fragrance I would wear to the beach or something like that, but if you're going to like a little brunch date or something of that, you're going shopping, this is definitely a nice scent that is gonna turn some heads. It is just so nice, and I'm really, now that it's drying down a little bit, I'm getting a little bit of the peachy notes, but mainly it's the black currant and the caramel that really just carry this fragrance in my opinion. And honestly, it smells really, really good right now, and I enjoy wearing it right now, but just wait until winter hits and fall hits. I'm going to be wearing this like crazy. Honestly, even if you're getting like a gift for somebody and you don't really know what they like, personally I feel like gourmand scents are a nice start, because generally speaking, even if it's more of like a niche fragrance, usually anything that smells like food people gravitate to. Even if it doesn't smell like food right away, you don't really recognize it. Usually a food-like scent is something that just captivates people, whether it's caramel or vanilla or praline or coffee. Notes like that, I have noticed just with my experience personally, fragrances that have those notes in them, people just go crazy over, and I get a lot of compliments on them. They're like, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? I'm really, really happy that I added this to my collection. I will be wearing this a lot, especially in the months to come. And I know I say this about a lot of my fragrances, but this one right here, this was a really, really nice buy in my opinion. And technically it wasn't a blind buy because I did smell it previously, but either way, like I'm very, very happy because it lived up to its expectations. Like sometimes you smell a sample and then you get it and it doesn't smell anything like it did on a sample. Like I know sometimes the samples and the actual bottles, they can be a little bit different, but this right here, this is very, very nice. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys too. Oh my gosh, I am slipping. So this bottle that I purchased, it is a 1 ounce. They do have 3 different sizes. They have the 1 ounce, the 1.7 ounce, and the 3.4 ounce bottle. I'm not sure if they have purse sprays. I'm pretty sure that they do. And usually purse sprays, they range like around the 20 some to $30 mark. So if you just wanted to test it out and try it without making a huge commitment, I definitely recommend doing that. If you guys have it or you have tried it in the past, let me know how you guys like it down below in the comment section. So guys, that was my review of Bon Bon by Viktor and Rolf. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and as always, I hope to see every one of you guys in my next one. Bye.